Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Simon. So today's solve for x question is 3x plus 1 is equal to 10 divided by x. So we are going to solve this question today. One thing that you have to bear in mind is that we have a fraction on the right hand side of the equal sign. So firstly, we have to do away with the denominator. All right, so we are going to multiply by x. All right, each and every single term is going to be multiplied here by an x. Okay, so 3x plus 1 inside the brackets or the parenthesis, going to multiply that by an x, okay, is equal to 10 divided by x multiplied by x. All right, so on this side we are going to distribute the x into the bracket, and let's just get the result of this. Is going to be 3x squared, okay, plus an x is equal to, on the right hand side we're going to divide the x by x, and that result to just 10. Okay, so let's put this equation in order because this is a quadratic equation. Okay, so the result is 3x squared plus the x subtracting the 10. So we are subtracting 10 on each side of the equal sign. So this is what is obtained. Okay, so let's continue solving this question. So we either it's either we're going to factorize it or use the quadratic formula. So let's first start by factorizing this equation. All right, so let me open okay, let me try to write it much better. Is equal to 0. Okay, it's equal to 0. Let me do this. Okay, so that we can be able to see everything. We are going to distribute the 3x squared first. Distribute the 3x squared inside the parenthesis. Okay, that is 3x squared distributed, and we're going to look at the two factors that when we multiply we get a 10, but when they're subtracting each other we're going to get the positive 1, that is x. So we are going to use 5 and a2, sorry, 5 and a2. We notice that we have a negative sign here, so it means that our signs should be different. Okay, they should be different. We are going to distribute the plus and the minus. All right, so this is trial and error. We are going to give the plus on the 2 and we give the negative on this side. So in order to see that everything is done correctly, let us multiply to obtain this equation. We are going to multiply there. Let me just get a different color. We are going to multiply there. That is 3x squared. Okay, we're going to multiply the 2 by the 3x. That gives us positive 6x. We are done with that. Let's get maybe green color. We're going to multiply the negative 5 there and finally there. Okay, so what is the answer? Negative 5 multiplied by x is negative 5x, and negative 5 times 2, that is negative 10, is equal to 0. Okay, so I believe this is fine. So we are going to clean up everything here. We're gonna clean up, check 6x, we subtract 5x. That will lead us to just plus x. Okay, just plus x minus 10. All right, so this proves that we have done everything well. Okay, so let's get rid of everything here. Let's get rid of everything. Okay, so that is fine. Let us finish up this problem. 3x minus 5 is equal to 0, or x plus 2 is equal to 0. All right, so let me try to move this so that we have a room. Okay, right, so I believe that we can see everything that is here. Let us proceed with the problem. 3x is equal to 5 divided by a 3, because we want to, so we are solving for x, so we want to remain with just x, right? So we're going to divide the 3, and the remaining answer, what is remaining is going to be x, so the answer is 5 divided by 3, or x is equal to, take or we subtract 2 from both sides, we're going to remain with negative 2. So basically this is the answer we were looking for. So guys, let us try this using the quadratic formula. Let us try this using the quadratic formula and see what we get from this. Okay, let us try using the quadratic formula. Okay, so let me try to do away with that. All right, so we see that this is our equation. We're gonna proceed just from there using the quadratic formula. If you missed out on some of my videos where I dealt very well with the quadratic formula, just get one of the videos, start watching, and then I believe that you now understand how we use the quadratic formula. All right, let's put everything into the formula. X is equal to negative b plus or minus the square root. Right, let's see. Okay, perfect. B squared minus 4ac. All of these we divide by 2a. So you want to stay tuned on my channel for more examples, more basic simple math questions. We are going to do we're going to deal with many other questions. So you want to stay subscribed to this channel so that every time I upload a new video, you don't miss out, but you get notified. All right, let's continue with this. X is equal to, our b is 1. Okay, is 1. Our b is 1. We're going to put negative 1 plus or minus. So with this formula, we are supposed to get the same answers as before. All right, let's put in the 1. Minus 4a is 3, c is negative 10, all divided by 2a, which is 2 times the 3. All right, let's clean up everything here. Okay, let's clean up everything that is here. Let me try to move this so that we can have some room. Okay, so that we can have room. Let's continue from here. Okay, when we punch this into the calculator, we are going to get 121, the root of 121. Okay, the root of 121. So let's continue this here. X is equal to negative, sorry, I missed out a 1 there. Okay, let me try to write it in a better way. That is negative 1. Okay, that is clear, it's pretty much visible. Negative 1 plus or minus, so the root of 121, the root of 121 is 11. Okay, so I'm gonna write down here 11, this divided by 6. So we basically gonna get just two answers. All right, stay with me, we're gonna get two answers. So negative 1 plus, we are going to use the plus first, right? Forget about the minus. Now focus on the plus. Minus 1 plus 11, that is a 10 divided by 6. So we reduce that to 5 over 3, or x is equal to, okay, or x is equal to, all right, we used the plus. Now forget about the plus, we focus on the minus. Minus 1, minus 1 and negative 11, that is negative 12 divided by 6. It's going to be reduced to negative 2. So pretty much the same as the previous answer we got from we got from the factorization. That is the same answer. So this is how you solve these kind of questions using two methods. Okay, either by factorizing and using this formula, the quadratic formula. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please hit the subscribe button, the like button, and share with your friends. Thank you.